Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to build a Navbar responsive one with only HTML and CSS, no JavaScript and no backing. So with that being said, let's get into it. So first, we open VS Code. Here's it. I've already created a folder already. So I'll go ahead and open a file. Name it app.html. Navigation, bar with HTML, CSS only. So with that being done, so yeah, over here will be our logo. It's for our logo. It will be our space for logo. Write this as capital L. Okay. Now the class. Open our UI tab for listing for that stuff. Visit and our anchor tag, which is the get tag, href, and then apply here. And the first one will be our home. So copy this and after the about services. Services, and then contacts. Our contacts. Then after contacts, our portfolio. Yeah. So all this been listed. So go over to our styling sheet. So I think I should open the styling over here. So open a style sheet. It's here's it. So come over to HTML and then link CSS. The CSS. So with that being said, I will have to share the screen so that I'll be able to see both the CSS and the HTML icon. So before that, let's view this live. Okay, here's it. Here's it. So I'll keep it this way. So you'll be able to see both at the same time. So okay, so go ahead and divide this into two, so you can see both. And for this side to be our CSS, and then for this side to be our HTML. So I'll close this. So we'll see very well. So our first styling here will be the whole background. They will remove the default padding, set it at 0, and default margin set at 0, and then we have both sizing, border box. So one important thing is to choose good font family for your work. So go ahead and search for font family. Google font family. Yeah, here's it. So scroll down, check font family. Here's it. So I have this already, so I'll remove it, and then I'll search for Poppins. I like using Poppins. The Poppins are in now. So here's Poppins. Open Poppins, then I add it. Okay, I'll choose one. Choose one of, let's choose this one of 500. Then think of 600 too. No, 600. And this. Wait. Okay, don't need it. Really need the medium 500 and semi bold 600. So come over here, and here is it. So we copy the CSS out of it directly. Import. We import it into our CSS. Copy it here. Let's copy. Then come over here and paste it. Here's it. So after that, then you scroll down. Here's the CSS with specified families. So you copy it. Copy. Ctrl+6 copy. Then you come over here, the general. Go to our work. Here's our work. So we'll try saving this and see if there's any effects. Oh, sorry. Click here and then save. The words are okay now. There's a font family there. Copy and save. So after that, we'll go ahead and then start our styling. So then we go copy our nav, copy, and then paste here. Sorry, no dots. Obviously, the HTML tag, so you don't need to put dots. So when you put your dots, Give it height. Let's give it height of 80%. Background. Let's give it background color. Background color of red. Basics. Then display flex. Display flex. So it's working. So after that, go ahead and copy our nav.logo. This is our nav. You copy it. Then the logo aspect of this, which is this class logo. You copy and dot logo. Give it the font size. Font size of x4 pixel. Here's it. Font weight. Font weight 7. Color of white. White. So after that, we start our URL. So say nav and URL. The bracelet. Give it display flex. Flex. Basic. And then we'll remove dot there. So to remove it, we'll say list type. No. That's works now. So give it a list type of none. So after that, copy this nav URL, copy, paste it here. Our li lia else. So give it a color of white, color white, and then we have to remove the lines under it. So to do that, do as decoration. I'll set it as 1. Here's it. You see the lines are out. So after that, you can list glue and go back to our nav. See align items. They are now at the center. So justify content, space between. It. So after that, give a font size to our home about and services. Give it a font size of 18 pixel. Then font width 500 pixel for width. And letter spacing of 1 pixel. Okay, so after this, we have to style our nav URL. Style this, we'll give it a margin just to separate. Give a space between this home and about each of them. So give it a margin of 0 and then 5%. Yeah, this space now here. Let's take a look at it at the big screen. So here's it. So we have to shift it from this wall to a place like this. So go back to our nav and now styling over here. Give it a padding of 0 pixel for the top, pixel for the right, 0 pixel for bottom, then 100 pixel left. Copy. There's nav UL, LI, and A. Copy it and then put dots over. So let's style it so that when we open it, there will be an action. So give it a background color of white. Background color of white. And then text color of black. Is it? You see, it changes to black and then white. So when you look at it, you see the space it has and the different background is not much. So we have to increase it here. Go back to our Naviel LIA and then give it a padding. Give it a padding of 8 pixel and then 10 pixel. 8 pixel for top and bottom and then 10 pixel for left and right. So shake it. Here's it. It's much better now. So we'll give it a border radius. Make it okay. Give it a border radius of 6 pixel. Okay. Now this is good. This okay. It's okay. After that, we'll go back to our HTML and give our home class of active. So it will be the active class. Give it active. Then save it. And then we'll come here. We copy this. Copy. and then put a comma here and then paste it. And instead of a putting a there, we put the class active to specify home. I mean home and only home. So put it dot active, paste. So the home has the active class. And once you have to run it. Yes. So with that being done, we can still add over the logo. Let's try adding the logo. Make nav dot logo. And over to the class there. Over is over. And then if it's color black. Color of black. Yeah. That's it. So when you open it, it changes to black. So with this being achieved, we'll go back to our CSS. Well, let's view it at the major screen. The green screen now. Here's it. Here's it. Everything is okay. So this is how it is. And then over here, can increase it? Can increase it? So it's only merging because there's no media query there yet. So right on and do the media query now. So go back. Go back to our HTML. So after this div for the logo, open a label icon, label tag. Or we'll leave it empty for now. I'll give it a class. So this will be like a div covering the number. So we have to put a number icon here. So because of that, we'll go ahead and open font cursor. Font cursor. So this is the font. So enter font awesome. Here's it. Then we copy our kit. Here's our kit. We copy it. Go back to our HTML. Go back to our HTML. Over here after the title, paste this here as kit. Then we'll save. After that, we go to our icons. Click on icons. And then search for nav bar. Is a nav bar. So click on one. Let's use this. Then we'll copy. copy. So come inside the label tag, you paste it. Is it? So with that being done, let's go back to our work. Here's it. So refresh to see the icon show. You can see the icon here. You can see it here. So I will minimize, then keep it here. And then we'll continue. Go ahead to style the knife icon. So here we go. So we'll say nav, which is this. Copy this, copy, paste, then nav bar, which is the class of the label, copy, then paste dot nav bar, then I, which is the class of the icon. Here's it, here's it. So I, and then style it, give it a color of white, like others. White, the options to white, then give it a font size of 20 pixel. Here's it, 20 pixel. So you see here, over here is the main screen. So we have to display it none here. I'll say display none. Display none. So we don't see it here again. Okay. Yes. With that being done, we go over to our HTML. Before the label, that is after the div, the logo div. You put an input tag there. Input. Type. Type with checkbox. And then ID. It will be click. So I already click. So now here you can see the checkbox over here. This is the checkbox. Over to our CSS. Then we'll start our media query. So media query will start from media screen. Start from 5.58.75 EM. So we'll say on screen and max speed. The mistake. So media screen and max width 58.75 EM. And after that, Put open our colibris. So for those who are used to pixel, so I did prefer to use EM instead of pixel. But why pixel is a kind of fixed variable, it doesn't changes in your adjustment in everything you're doing. It's just the way it is. But for those who are used to it, 58.75 pm is equivalent to 940 pixel. So here's it. Can you start a step equivalent to 940 pixel? Okay, here's it. So this work is equivalent to 940 pixel. And if you want to get it, you just like doing 940 divided by the default size of um first size of pixel, that is 16 pixel. 16 pixel, that is first size of screen. So you divide 940 divided by 16, so you get your 58.73, which is equal to EM. After that, so you go ahead with our styling. The first one was that will copy is you go to our CSS. So copy our nav UL, copy, then scroll down, you paste it here. Now, give it the position of fist. Position of fist. So use it. The give it the position of fist, and then top it initially screws down here. So you can see it, they are here, so they have not gone. But I will give it the top of 80 pixel. Top of 80 pixel. And then left. Give left of 0%. Left of 0%. So it shifts to the end. And after that, I give it a height. Let's give it a height of 100 G. Give it height. That's the height of the screen. Square. So give it 100 V height. Give it the background. Background of red. So this is the background. Which one background? Sit here, the red. So we'll give it a width so that it can reach to the edge width of 100%. 100%. Covers everywhere. So after that, we give it a display of block. Display of block. No longer flex, it's now block. Okay. So you see when you look at it, when you run it, you see one is blocking the other. So that is it. So give it a test align center, so we can move it to the middle. Line center. Here's it. Test align of center. and then let's give it a transition or 0.5 second. Yes. So after that, we go back to our system. As you can see, they are very joined together, so you really can see the other one when you hover on it. So we go back to our CSS, copy this, the URL, copy, paste here, no style it. So give it a margin top and bottom of 40 pixel. Again, 40 pixel top and bottom, and then 0 pixel for left and right. Is it? So you see there's space now. You can see what you're doing. So there's it. Okay. To display this navbar here, you have to display it. Let's make it visible. Let's copy. Yeah. Paste and then style it. Give it display of block. Display of block. That shows that the media query. Okay, here's it. So after that, we go back to our CSS, copy our nav ULLI, copy, go back to our media query, paste the navbar to work. So go back to our HTML here, copy the ID, copy to hash, and then paste the ID. Start our style. So we have to specify it to the class of shift. To the class of shift. And then infinity and give it UL. Now you have known the parent and child relationship stuff. So you do this and then UL, and I will give it a left of 0, left of 0%, left of 0%. So we'll go back to our media query, the top aspect of it here. Over here, where we give left 0%, we change it to minus 100%. So it's not visible. So you see it's only when you click on this, then this shifts. So we have to make this to be functional at this nav bar. We have to make this to be functional over here. So to make this to be functional instead of here, we'll go back. Here we wrote over here, we wrote nav for, and we change it to click. We enter click there, this ID here, whatever ID that you put here, you copy it and put it here. It takes the function of that place, and you do it and you save. When you click on this, You see, you see, it takes the function. So now your work is good to go. But nevertheless, we have to remove this. So make it display none. Going to make it display none. So copy it, copy the click, copy, and over here, paste. Sorry. And I did not declare, so it should be an hash, and then display none. If you see display none, it eventually goes out, puts the CSS, the main screen, and eventually on the media folder. So you click on this, it scrolls, comes down, and then you select your choices. So this is it. The logo changes to black. You can as well add style over here. Come and be like there's a nav logo. Here's it. So copy, then paste, and then do dot over. Sorry, give it a pseudo close of over. Give it a pseudo close of over. And then style it color black. And here we go. So when you open it, it changes to black. You see? Over on it changes to black. So okay, there's also one aspect. For those, some will be like there's always a times that comes up here when you click on this place. You can also put it to make it much like that of JavaScript that we use JavaScript to do. So to do that, you see, click this, click, click, then we specify it, giving it a pseudo class of checked, then give it check parent relationship, and then dot navbar, which is this navbar, and then our I. So we want it to change this I immediately we click on it. That's the icon. So we want to change it to the times icon. As all they always come out there. So we'll say before we give this a pseudo class of before. So here's it. Then style it. So before we style it, you make it active. You have to go back to sorry. I'll make this last so that we can see very well. Okay. So come over here and do the multiplication. I think it should be multiplication sign. Here's it. So this is the multiplication sign. That is the S mark. So make use of any of this. Let's go with this one. So when we go with this one, we, instead of copying the icon itself, we won't copy the icon. We go for the Unicode digit. We copy the Unicode. I'll click on it now, copy, and then go back to our CSS, and then will be context, and then put put the slash. Remember, this is the slash you're putting, not the other one, not this one, not this one, or this one. So paste our Unicode, we copy it, and then save. So immediately we save, we go back to our work, and we refresh it. So watch closely. When I click on this, it changes to the times. You can see it here, changes to the times. Is it? Is it? So we are going to shake it out. So everything is done on the CSS. So just minimize it and then shake this out. So shake it out. Here's it. Here's it. Here's it. So it covers the screen. Immediately start reducing. Quickly gets to 9 something. It adjusts, and then your drop down. Going to start. So we'll go ahead and expect. Here's it. Expect that 9 something. Okay. Here's it. Is it? Is it? As you can see, it's very cool. And then as you adjust, so this it. So adjust as well. Very responsive. Very responsive. Okay. So if you shake it, let's shake different phones. Different phone size. See for iPhone SE, SR, is it? You go for 12 Pro, it's okay. You go for 5 pixel, it's okay. What are different sizes of phones? So this is it. This is it. This it. This it. Alright. Yeah. Good. So shake the Galaxy Fold, which is very small. Yeah, it's it. So over here, to avoid this, we have to do a little bit more styling to it. So go ahead and minimize. Oh, yeah, and go back to our CSS, and we'll do at media query. Let's copy this at media query, copy it here. Yeah. Come here. So at this media query, we'll change the mask width to 25 em, 25 em, which is equivalent to 400. 400. So we'll go over to our nav, copy the nav, we copy it, and then go to our styling, paste it, and go back to our nav. And this padding that will give content nav. So you want to remove the space here. Want to remove the space at this place so that this thing can kiss the can mesh at the end of the nav bar. So to do that, we go back to our knife styling as CSS, copy this, it to at 400 pixel, that's 25 em. Everything here will be 0 pixel, will be 0. So we go to our styling and then inspect it. Here's it. So as you can see, it's still good even at the Galaxy S Fold. Is it? So these are to where the Galaxy, you can still shift it a little bit, and then everything is cool. So at all screen side, you can see it's okay.